Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do your homework for today. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your online classroom. Then open your class, click on Teacher Messages, click on today's message, which is Wednesday, October 20th. Okay, so as you scroll down, read the message completely. There are two tasks that you need to do for today. The first task is a writing task. This is called a forum. So you can write here. I'm going to show you how. It's about your career goals. Open the task. Please read the instructions carefully. You're going to write a goal about your careers. To be able to write the goals, you can read these questions. Think about them carefully, think about their answers, and then get help from them to write a paragraph. So you're going to write a paragraph about your career goal. You can practice on a piece of paper first, think about what you want to write. You can practice first on a Word document, maybe type your paragraph, and then when you're ready, you scroll down. So here it asks you to name your post somebody's career goal. So for example, Moon's career goal, David's career goal. You scroll down and you click here, add a new discussion topic. And then in the subject, you write, for example, you write your name, career goal. And then in the message box here, you write your paragraph. When you finished your paragraph, you scroll down and you click Post to Forum. So when you do so, if you go back and then you look here, you will see your paragraph. If you click here, you can read your paragraph again. If you want to change something in it, you can click Edit and change it. If you want to delete it completely and write it again, you can do so. After everybody has written their paragraphs, you can come back here and read everybody else's paragraph. And even if you like, you can reply to their paragraphs and you can comment on their goals by clicking reply and then writing your comment and then again post to forum. So this is how you write in a forum. I'm just going to delete my answer because I don't want it there. Okay, so that's your first task. Let's go back to teacher messages. So that's the first task about writing your goals. The second one is an ESL library. So there's another website that sometimes students do some practice on it. It's in your online classroom. So if you go back to your online classroom, just below the teacher messages, you will see this link here, ESL Library. You need to click here and then enter your username and password. Now, I've sent you an email with your username and password for ESL Library. Please use that to log in. So click here. And then here you will enter your username. I'm going to use mine. The password is the same for all students. It's English level 5. And then you log in. Okay, so let me log out and then use one of yours. So I'm using David's. I'm going to use my own username. You guys should use your own. log in. So when I log in here under do soon, you will see simple future. So you're going to practice the future tense. So click here. You can see the name of your class here and the due date, so the deadline, and the last day you have to finish this homework, which is in 3 days. It's Saturday night, October 23rd, 9 p.m. So you should finish this before that time. So click here, and then you will see the tasks that you need to do. In order to do each task, you have to click start here. And when you open it and you do it, then here it won't say unopened again. It will say that it's opened and you have done it. And then I can see that you have done your homework. So the first one is the video. You click here, read the instruction, watch this video introduction, click here, start, watch the video. When you're finished, click I'm finished. And then if you want to try again, you can click here. If you want to go back to do the other tasks, you click back to assignments. Click on the second one. There's another video you're going to watch. Then there are some grammar notes. Click here, read the instruction, click start. Please study the grammar notes carefully. We've been talking about this in our class, so this is just a review for you. And then when you're finished, you click I'm finished, back to assignments. And then there are fill in the blanks. Please read the instructions. It's important for you to know how to do the task. So here you need to use be going to or will to answer the questions. You need to type your answers. The verb is here. So it says, my mom, the lights off at 9 p.m. So will turn or is going to turn. You have to choose an answer. There are 5 questions here. Then you go to next one, number 2, number 3. You click here to go to the next one. 4 and 5. And when you're finished, you click submit here. When you click submit, you can see how many you got correct. For example, for me, I got 0 answers correct, so this is not good. I want to try this task again because my score is not good. I can also review my answers, see what I did wrong and what the right answer is. And I can try it again just to practice more, and then click back to assignments. So this is what you're going to do for the rest of the tasks. Let's do one more. So goal setting. It says write 5 goals and use the simple future tense. So we're going to write 5 goals. If you want to view reference, view the study again, the lesson again, you click here. That's your reference. If you want to look back at it, because sometimes you forget, you write your first goal, second goal, third goal, fourth and fifth, and then you can review your goals and then click submit answers. When you submit, I'm going to read your goals and then I'm going to give you feedback. So later you can go back here and then read my feedbacks here. If you want to read my feedback, there will be a pen here later. When I give you feedback, you can click on it and read my feedback. Just one more thing about the last practice, which is speaking practice. So here you can record your voice. Read the instructions first about what you need to talk about, then click start. You see this red button here. You need to click and then record your voice, talk about the question. You can talk about 2 minutes, but 2 minutes is the maximum time, so don't go over 2 minutes. And then when you're finished, click on the red button again to make sure that you have recorded your voice correctly. You should be able to listen to it. Okay, so you click here, see if it's okay. If it's not okay, you can delete it and record again. But if it is okay, then click on this right arrow here and then submit your recording. And again, later, I'm going to listen to your recording and I'm going to give you feedback. So this is how you do all the tasks on Esl Library. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Other than that, have a good weekend and goodbye.